Samsung is once again at the forefront of innovation in the foldable smartphone market, and this time it is pushing the boundaries further than ever before with the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold, a revolutionary triple folding device that could potentially signal the end of tablets as we know them. Because unlike the traditional foldables we have seen in recent years, such as the Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip, the Galaxy Z Trifold introduces a bold and ambitious design with three connected panels joined by two hinges that allow it to fold into a compact smartphone form factor and then unfold into a massive tablet-like display, offering unmatched versatility and a futuristic experience that redefines what a smartphone can be. And when fully unfolded, it transforms into a large immersive screen that is perfect for multitasking, gaming, productivity, and media consumption, giving users a tablet-sized experience without having to actually carry a tablet, which could completely reshape the mobile device landscape and blur the lines between smartphones and tablets. And one of the standout innovations of this device is the way Samsung has integrated the rear cameras to double as front-facing cameras for selfies thanks to its unique folding mechanism, allowing users to capture high-quality selfies and vlogs using the superior rear sensors instead of relying on lower-resolution front cameras, which is a huge win for photography enthusiasts and content creators who demand top-tier image and video quality on the go. And by maximizing the camera hardware, Samsung has ensured that the Galaxy Z Trifold is not just a design experiment, but also a practical solution for users who want both style and substance, because you can now record videos, vlogs, and selfies with the same cameras you would use for professional shots, significantly elevating the mobile photography experience. And this focus on usability is backed by Samsung's confirmation that the Galaxy Z Trifold is in the final stages of development with a planned launch before the end of 2025, though the rollout will be strategic and cautious with the device initially available in limited regions and in smaller quantities, allowing Samsung to test the waters, gather valuable feedback from early adopters, and address potential durability or performance concerns before expanding production globally, a strategy that reflects Samsung's commitment to balancing innovation with reliability. And this phased rollout also builds anticipation for the second-generation model, which will likely incorporate refinements based on real-world user experiences, making the Galaxy Z Trifold part of a long-term roadmap for foldable evolution. But as with any cutting-edge device, pricing is a major concern, and estimates suggest that the Galaxy Z Trifold could exceed $2,800, placing it in the ultra-premium category alongside other luxury foldables like Huawei's Mate X2. And while the unique triple folding design and advanced features may justify the price for early adopters and tech enthusiasts, the steep cost will undoubtedly limit its accessibility to a niche audience, raising the question of how mainstream the device can become. And affordability will be key for its long-term success, because as production scales and foldable technology matures, prices could eventually drop, making future iterations of the Trifold more accessible to everyday consumers. But for now, it is aimed squarely at those willing to invest in groundbreaking technology. And this leads to one of the most important discussions surrounding the device: balancing innovation with practicality. Because while the concept of a triple folding smartphone is undeniably futuristic and exciting, there are valid concerns about the durability of the hinges and the display, especially when subjected to thousands of folds over months and years of real-world use. And durability has always been the Achilles heel of foldable smartphones, so the success of the Galaxy Z Trifold will depend heavily on how well Samsung has engineered its new hinge system and display technology to withstand daily wear and tear. And beyond durability, there's a question of practicality. Will average users actually find value in carrying a device that unfolds into a mini tablet? Or will it remain more of a luxury gadget for tech enthusiasts and business professionals who need productivity on the go? And then, of course, we cannot ignore the role of competition, because once Samsung introduces this groundbreaking form factor, it is only a matter of time before other companies like Huawei, Honor, Oppo, and even Apple begin experimenting with similar designs, which means Samsung needs to establish its dominance early, refine its technology, and set the standard for triple folding smartphones before the competition catches up. And if we look at the bigger picture, the Galaxy Z Trifold offers a tantalizing glimpse into the future of foldables by showing us how smartphones can evolve to meet the demands of modern users who want both portability and large screen real estate. And while the device is not without challenges, high pricing, durability concerns, and limited availability, it undeniably marks a milestone in smartphone design. And its impact would depend on key questions like whether the triple folding design proves durable in real-world use, whether Samsung can bring the price down in future models, and how. Competitors respond to this bold innovation, but no matter what, the debut of the Galaxy Z Trifold is a landmark moment in mobile history, signaling that we are moving closer to a future where one device can replace both your smartphone and your tablet, offering the ultimate blend of portability, versatility, and power. And whether the Galaxy Z Trifold becomes a mainstream success or remains a niche luxury product, it cements Samsung's reputation as the leader in foldable innovation, and we will be watching closely as this device prepares for launch at the end of 2025, because the Galaxy Z Trifold is more than just a phone. It is a statement about the future of mobile technology, and this is only the beginning of a new chapter in smartphone evolution. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth coverage on TechVerse.